Hello everyone, we are from Group 5 and we are going to present to you about Lesch Nyhan syndrome. Some of you must be wondering, what is Lesch Nyhan syndrome? A condition characterized by neurological and behavioral abnormalities and overproduction of uric acid in the body. Signs and symptoms include inflammatory arthritis or gout, kidney stones, moderate cognitive disability, and bladder stones. What might happen to a person who has this disease? Nervous system and behavioral disturbance may occur, which leads to dystonia, chorea, valismus, and even self-injury. A person who has Lesch Nyhan syndrome requires assistance during sitting, cannot walk, and must use a wheelchair.
So, this is an example of Lesch Nyhan patient.
And Bill is a young man in his 30s who has a diagnosis of Lesch Nyhan syndrome. Bill's very bright, very smart. So he recognizes that his communication, his verbal skills aren't as high as other people. But that's due to his cerebral palsy, his Lesch Nyhan syndrome, his other struggles that causes some dysfunction with communication.
Hi! Hi, Phil. How are you?
Hey.
What's up? What are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you?
Next, the causes of Lesch Nyhan is the mutation in the HPRT1 gene. The HPRT1 gene provides instructions for making an enzyme called hypoxanthine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. This enzyme is responsible for recycling purines, a type of building block of DNA and its chemical cousin RNA. Recycling purines ensures that cells have a plentiful supply of building blocks for the production of DNA and RNA. HPRT1 gene mutations that cause Lesch Nyhan syndrome result in a severe shortage or complete absence of hypoxanthine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. When this enzyme is lacking, purines are broken down but not recycled, producing abnormally high level of uric acid. For unknown reasons, a deficiency of hypoxanthine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase 1 is associated with low levels of a chemical messenger in the brain called dopamine. Dopamine transmits messages that help the brain control physical movement and emotional behavior, and its shortage may play a role in the movement problems and other features of this disorder. However, it is unclear how a shortage of HPRT1 causes the neurological and behavioral problems characteristic of Lesch Nyhan syndrome. HPRT stands for hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. Several mechanisms can be identified that contribute to uric acid overproduction in HPRT deficiency. HPRT catalyzes the salvage synthesis of inosine monophosphate IMP and guanosine monophosphate GMP from the purine bases hypoxanthine and guanine respectively, and PRPP as a co-substrate. The HPRT defect results in the accumulation of its substrate, hypoxanthine and guanine, which are converted into uric acid by help of xanthine oxidase. The increased availability of PRPP for PRPP amidotransferase, the rate-limiting enzyme of de novo synthesis of purine nucleotides, increase purine synthesis. On the other hand, there is decreased formation of PRPP amidotransferase feedback inhibitors, IMP and GMP. This dual mechanism results in an increased de novo synthesis of purine nucleotides, The combination of deficient recycling of purine bases with increased synthesis of purine nucleotides explain marked uric acid overproduction in HPRT deficiency. Thanks for your attention. See you again.